Welcome everyone. Myself Santoshkumarkhirhar. Today I am going to deal a very important topic, that is exponent and powers. Before understanding this whole chapter, first of you have to understand what is exponential form and what is the radical form. Let us understand exponential form. Suppose a be any real number, then its power is b. Then we can say that a has multiplied by itself b times. Okay, you can write here a to the power b is equal to a into a into a into a dot 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 b times. Okay, this form is known as the exponential form. And what is radical form? You have to understand it. Radical form. Suppose a is any real number and it has a just like this type of sign, then this is called radical sign, and this is called radicand, and this is called radical power. Okay, and in exponential form a is base and b is power. B is called power. Okay, for example 2 to the power 3, this is exponential form, and 2 to the power 2 to the power half, or you can write it root 2, this is called radical form. And we have radical power as 2, which is understood. Okay, suppose you have 3 in radical power and there is 2, then this is radical form. But if you want to convert this into exponential form, then you can write it 2 to the power 1 by 3. This is exponential form. We have some rules or laws for exponential form. Number 1, if x to the power m and x to the power n is in the multiplication form, then we have to add the power if the bases are same. X is base and m and n are the powers. Okay, in second, if x to the power m is given and whole power is n, then we multiply the powers. और ये तीसरे नंबर पे x to the power m divided by x to the power n, then ये हो जाएगा x to the power m minus n. Okay, and if you have x to the power 0, then this one is 1. And at the fifth number, if x to the power m and x to the power minus m is given, then you can write it 1 by x to the power m. And another is that if x by y to the whole power minus m, then you can write it y by x to the power m. Okay, and another, if y by x to the power m is given, then you can write x by y टू द होल पावर माइनस m। चलिए इससे रिलेटेड कुछ एग्जांपल बनाते हैं, देखते हैं। सम क्वेश्चंस। सपोज 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 has given to you, and you have to simplify it. Then you will write it 2 to the power 3 plus 2, and this will become 2 to the power 5. And another is, suppose 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 2, then you will write 3 to the power 5 minus 2, this will become 3 to the power 3, that is 27. And in another question you can see that जैसे 3 to the power 5 है, इसका होल पावर अगर 0 है तो 3 to the power 5 इंटू 0 होगा, एंड दिस विल बिकम 3 to the power 0, और फाइनली इसका आंसर 1. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, सपोज 3/5 का होल पावर -1 है, जिसको क्या लिख सकते हैं 5/3 टू दी होल पावर 1. ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं. सपोज 3/5 का होल पावर अगर 0 है तो इसका वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगा. उसके बाद सपोज 1 टू दी पावर 1 है, इसका वैल्यू भी 1 होगा. और अगर 3 टू दी पावर 2 है तो इसको 3 को 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 3 3 जा 9. तो इस तरह से एक्सपोनेंशियल इन पावर्स के क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व किया जाता है. और बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हैं RD शर्मा RS अग्रवाल के. तो लाइक, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब करें, और कमेंट्स में बताएं कि आगे वीडियो और चाहिए तो बिल्कुल बनाएंगे.